This 2017 Jayco Octane T32E is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 35 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 8, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, slide-out, awning, oven, skylight, spare tire kit, DVD player, microwave, water heater, and 96 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Jayco Octane T32E is 8,946 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.